Hey there! If you're looking to make your iPhone experience a bit smoother with vocal shortcuts in iOS 18, you're in the right place. This awesome feature allows you to automate tasks and trigger actions just by using your voice. It's perfect for you when you want to do things quickly without digging through your apps or settings. Let's dive into a simple step-by-step guide to get your vocal shortcut up and running. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to find the Accessibility option. After that, tap on Accessibility and scroll down again. Now select the vocal shortcut option. Turn this feature on to get started. Then tap Continue to move forward. Now it's time to select the action you want to automate. Scroll down through the list of actions. For this example, I'll choose the camera option. Now enter a phrase that you want to say to trigger this action. Here, I'll add the words Open Camera. Tap Go when you're ready. Now you need to say the phrase 3 times to teach your device. You can say something like Open Camera, then Open Camera, finally Open Camera. Tap Continue once you've done that. Now just say Open Camera or whatever phrase you set up, you'll see the action happen right away. For instance, if I say Open Camera, it will launch my camera app immediately. By following these steps, you can easily add as many actions as you like to your vocal shortcut. Setting up vocal shortcut in iOS 18 makes it super convenient to perform tasks using just your voice. If you run into any issues, double check your settings or consider updating to the latest version of iOS. And that's it. You're all set to make your iPhone work for you with just your voice. With vocal shortcuts, you can breeze through tasks and enjoy a more hands-free experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends or check out more tips. Happy shortcutting!